In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brighten dark footage in Davinci Resolve, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. If you've ever shot some video that came out darker than expected, then this guide is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transform your dimly lit scenes into brightly shining moments with clarity and ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up the Davinci Resolve app on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's available on the Blackmagic Design website. Once you've got it open, you'll see the Project Manager screen. Here, select the project that contains the footage you want to work with. If you're starting fresh, simply create a new project by clicking on New Project and giving it a name. With our project opened, head over to the edit page. You can find this by clicking the edit tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the magic happens, letting you organize and refine your video clips before diving deep into color correction. Now, let's navigate to the color page by clicking on the color tab. This is where we'll make the adjustments necessary to brighten your footage. You'll find a range of tools here, but don't worry, we're focusing on something straightforward and effective: the color wheels. On the color page, locate the color wheels panel. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to enable it by clicking on the icon that looks like 3 color wheels stacked on top of each other. This panel is a powerful tool for adjusting the brightness and color balance of your footage. In the color wheels panel, the 3 primary controls we'll be using are lift, gamma, and gain. Each one plays a distinct role in adjusting the lighting of your footage. The lift adjusts the darkest parts, the gamma controls the midtones, and the gain affects the highlights. To start brightening your footage, try increasing the gain. This will make the brighter areas of your footage pop, but be careful not to overdo it. You don't want to wash out the detail. After that, adjust the gamma to lift the overall light levels, making the entire clip appear brighter without losing contrast. Finally, tweak the lift if necessary to lighten the shadows without compromising too much on detail. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, take a moment to play through your footage. Ensure that the changes have provided the desired effect, bringing your dark footage to life. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to brighten your footage using Davinci Resolve. With these adjustments, even the darkest scenes can be brought into the light, making your videos look more professional and polished. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to check out other editing tips to enhance your video projects further.